Keep your eye on the sky for the aerial acrobatics of Captain Glenn Quagmire.
Whoa, gonna need some help here. Alright.
Maybe we'll get lucky and see another crash this year.
Yeah! Don't worry, you're a quagmire. It's in your blood. Grip it and rip it.
Okay.
Atta girl, perfect! No, we're not doing that. I got my daughter with me today, you perv.
He's not doing it today.
Ah.
Damn it, Peter! Your plane set my lawn on fire!
Yeah, that ought to cover it.
Got a giggity over there on the 32nd floor. I'm gonna go in for a closer look. Oh, that!
Quagmire, look out!
Oh, no!
Jeez, that was a close one.
Yeah, but at least nobody got hurt.